What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's me, Shy. Anyways, today I'm fishing with my good friend and buddy Charlie. Right there, he's already starting fishing. Anyways, today we are bass fishing out here in the Delta, using that Topwater frog. Me and my buddies, we're all having this, including Charlie, we're all having this little friendly bass tournament, $100 buy-in. It ends on the end of September, so I know Joe, he's in it too, Tiny, TJ, and we have a few other buddies are in there too. Total 7 of us. Anyways, Joe's in the lead with the biggest fish right now, which is 4.6, I believe. So my goal is to beat that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll get back to you guys later. Hopefully I don't skunk. We'll see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Charlie's on one. First one of the day. That's a nice one. Yeah. Nice one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Ooh. Oh, that's a good one. Huh? That's a nice one right there.
2 for 2.
That's a good one right there, Charlie. That's a good 2. That's a good 2-pounder. Nice. Nice catch, Charlie. Thanks. That's a nice one. Ooh, another one. Nice. Charlie killing it. Ooh, nice. There you go. Charlie on another one. Charlie's killing it today. Good stuff.
Where's the big one
then? Right. Finally broke the skunk. Finally broke the skunk. Oh, got the skunk out of the way. Whew. Thanks, yeah. There's some line out. Oh. Finally. Man, it took forever. Ooh, check that out. Black and white frog right in the mouth. Little dinks. There you go. Oh,
dude, I let him take it too.
Oh, that was a big hit. Damn. That's what happens when you're like, well, I was getting ready to reel it in. You know when you're getting ready to reel it in, and then it's like boom, it hits. Like, what? Come on, man. Why you gotta? Yeah. There it is. There it is. Oh. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a dark bass. It's a small hit, but man, they're big, huh? They're all right. Check that out, guys. Second one on the frog. Whew, been a long day for me.
I thought it was a snake head.
All right. Ooh, good thing I got my pliers, because look at that hook. It went in. There we go. Oh. Little dink, second bass of the day. Need to get that big one. Let this baby go right here. Oh, I found a good one too. And that's his fault. That's his fault for trying to steal the frog.
How can you get the small one like that?
All right. Right. Number 3, another dink. Another rod. Ooh!
Got him, bro. Got him,
That's a nice one right there.
Got him. I'm gonna both flip him, okay?
That's a nice one right there. Oh, that might be it. That might be it. That's a nice one. A good 2.5, I would say.
Yeah, 2.5.
2.5. Some pictures.
Thanks, Sean.
No problem. Nice. There you go. There you go. There you go, Charlie. Good stuff. There you go.
There you go.
Well, looks pretty decent. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh my, that might be, I say that's definitely bigger than the other one.
Yeah. It's gonna have.
Good stuff. Man, that's a nice one, yeah. What's up, everyone? I'm back at the launch. Just got done fishing here at the Delta with my buddy Charlie. I want to thank Charlie for inviting me out. Today we mostly did, actually we did all topwater frog. I brought my other rods too, but our main focus was on topwater frog, so that was our go-to. Charlie caught two nice two and a half pounders. I caught 3 little dinks, maybe like 1 pounder or something. Nothing too exciting, nothing picture worthy. Overall, it was a fun day, you know. Every day is a challenge, so you know, was trying to get that fish to beat Joe, but didn't happen today. So Joe's still in the lead with that 4.6. Anyways, I want to thank everyone for watching. Remember, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And hit that bell icon so I update you when I upload new videos, all right? Before I go, I want to give a shout out to Jerry from Tourist Custom Jigs, Josh from Fish Hope, One Chop from Master Bear 559, and of course David Bixler from the Bix Custom Rods. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.